Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Kajing elang jongka kenhuan menteri ke Sorkar Jylla kabalalong haka khatlai tarik unok pra arjar arfuar kala menjur banwan ra kattu katni kajing Pynbeit Thymmai haka Meghalaya Health Service Rules bat ban penrung yaga Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board hakini ki rule khanang baka Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board kandup la ban trekam no nangni syakaman bat bakandup la ban penlong yaki examen ki badon kam bat kajing pendap hagi post doktor ki batli haka Jylla barok kawai. Menteri rambak ke Jylla Konrad K. Sangma haka jing ekran bat kilat patai kubor ulaya thoru baka National Human Rights Commission kala patha ru ya ke Sorkar Jylla ban siu by Lutksan ya ki koidi ki bayap ha along.
Amended the Meghalaya Health Service rules and included the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board also in these rules so that the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board can function and can conduct the necessary exams and the necessary recruitment for the vacancies of different doctors and doctors' posts in the state. So it's a small amendment, but it was necessary to enable the board to function in a smooth manner. The National Human Rights Commission has directed different state governments that there needs to be compensation on account of death of prisoners, and hence based on the directions given by the National Human Rights Commission, the Cabinet today has approved this compensation, and this will also be notified.